Hi, I'm Emmi Morgan, former guest model and busy entrepreneur, and as you can see, I'm working outside on my back deck today. Let's talk lips. A recent study that I read said that plumper lips give us a more youthful appearance. It makes sense. Think about a baby's lips. They're more plump, they're more youthful. So, to those of us over 40 and beyond, how do we achieve beautiful, youthful, plump, younger looking lips without spending a fortune, $500 to $1,000 on expensive and painful fillers? emmiSKIN Palm Beach 5X Cream is the answer. Listen, this moisturizer is formulated with the highest doses of hyaluronic acid allowed on the market today without a prescription. And if you're not sure about hyaluronic acid, it not only plumps wrinkles and lines and saggy skin, it plumps your lips and it plumps them fast. After only 2 applications, it worked for me. My lips went from flat and dry to young and plump and moisturized. This cream has worked for hundreds of thousands of women all over the world who have given us their personal testimonials. Some of them give details. Their husbands suddenly can't keep their hands off of them. And one customer wrote in and told us that she changed her profile picture on her dating website, and overnight, 73 new hits just from using emmiSKIN Palm Beach 5XP. This is serious stuff. This is about cutting 10 years off your face. So throw away the needles, save your money, and start using emmiSKIN Palm Beach 5X Cream, loaded with the same ingredients as the expensive fillers. Look, let's face it, it's true, fuller lips are more youthful lips. And it's true, all of us women over 40, we want to look more youthful. emmiSKIN Palm Beach 5X Cream with hyaluronic acid. Go to emmiSKIN.com.